So you take your foot off, these two screws, your walking foot will come off. Get some of the rubber dip or tool handles. You'll pull the sealed top off, and whatever you dip in there will become coated in that rubber, and it'll dry in a couple hours. Now, I had to do that a couple times on here to get it right. The main problem is the channel down in here will get filled, so you'll have to wait till it dries, take a hobby knife, and cut out where the needle will be passing through. So the problem I was having with that was when I was sewing my wallets, I'd come up, I'd change levels here. The walking foot is great for doing that. It'll help change the level. With the smooth rubber bottom, it was having a hard time getting a grip. The rubber is good as long as the leather doesn't change heights. And at that point, it's too much for the rubber and it starts to slide. It doesn't grip. So the solution to that was I got some 1000 grit sandpaper, and I put a little piece here and a little piece on the back, and I put that on with just regular contact cement. If you do leather work, you probably have tons of that around, and it has held for a very long time. I've sewn a lot with this machine and I've never had any problems. It's just enough to grip the leather without scarring the leather, so it works pretty well.